Hello everyone. Every year on 12 January we celebrate National Youth Day on the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand is not only a religious leader but is also a youth icon. Now a question will arise in your mind that why we celebrate the National Youth Day on the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekanand? So the answer is simple. Swami Vivekanand had a great influence on the minds of the youth. He trained the youth for the social service and the character building. He used to think that the youth are the foundation of the society and a great asset for the country. He said that if we train the youth of a country, then there will be a tremendous growth in the country. Swami Vivekanand spread the message of Hinduism in the Western countries. On 11 September 1893, he gave a very iconic speech in the World Religious Conference in Chicago. He addressed the crowd in front of him as "My American brothers and sisters," after which everyone in the crowd applauded him for the next 10 minutes continuously. He used to say, "Arise, awake and stop not until the goal is achieved." Swami Vivekanand was born on 12 January 1863 in Kolkata in a Bengali family. His father's name was Vishwanath Datta. His mother's name was Bhuvaneshwari Devi, who had a great impact on his life. And his childhood name was Narendranath Datta, and he was called as Naren. And when we are talking about Swami Vivekanand, we cannot forget his guru, one eminent and influential personality, who is Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Swami Vivekanand founded the Ramakrishna Mission and Ramakrishna Mutt, which was named after his guru. He had a great influence on the mind of Swami Vivekanand. Now I will tell you one very interesting incident of the life of Swami Vivekanand. So when Swami was traveling abroad to spread the Indian culture to the Western countries, his mother tested him. His mother told him to bring a knife to her. So he handed the knife to her, and she was very pleased and said that he has passed the test and now he is ready to preach the world. Swami was confused and said her what she was telling about. So she said that when he handed over the knife to her, he was holding the sharp edge of the knife and the wooden handle was towards her, which means that he did not wanted to hurt her and did care for her. Swami Vivekanand was interested in the meditation from the childhood itself. He used to practice meditation in large stretches. He used to say that meditation is a bridge which connected the soul of our body to the God. And he was the introducer of the concept of meditation to the Western countries as well. He wrote various books like Raja Yoga, Karma Yoga and the Bhakti Yoga. He was a voracious reader and he used to read only the first word and the last word of the line and would automatically grasp the words in between. And he was a speed reader. At last, I would only like to say that you cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. Thank you.